everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another foundation review. I purchased this foundation months ago and I've been wearing it like crazy, and I'm just now getting the opportunity to give you guys a review and all that stuff. So today's video, as you guys can see by the title, is the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation, as well as the flour powder and their oil drops. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts about this foundation and the flour powder and the oil and all that good stuff, then keep watching. So I know I'm kind of late with the whole Beauty Bakerie thing, but I finally got a chance to try it out, and I must say that I absolutely love it. So I will definitely get into that a little bit later. But what I wanted to do was kind of show you guys the packaging and all that stuff, show you guys what I got, and then get into the review. As I stated in the intro, I did purchase this a while back. I think it was like November, right before Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving, that I purchased this, and I've been wearing it like crazy. So of course, it came in this box, and it has the Beauty Bakerie sticker. And inside the box, you know, as you guys can see, it's like pink and white, and it says Sweet Tooth Much. And in here, I got my baking oil, my flour powder, and my cake mix foundation. So at the time, I had ordered this after all of the Beauty Bakerie stuff went into Ulta, but they just put this little thing in here to basically let you know that Beauty Bakerie is now at Ulta, so you guys can go to Ulta and get some Beauty Bakerie stuff instead of ordering online from their website. I really like the whole like boxing packaging. It's real pink, and like I said, Sweet Tooth Much, real pink and all that stuff. But now what I really want to get into is the packaging. So here is their foundation. It's the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Demi Matte Foundation, vegan, long-lasting, non-acnogenic formula. So this is how their foundation packaging look, and I absolutely love it. Like, Beauty Bakerie has the cutest packaging ever, and it really makes sense. Beauty Bakerie, so everything is like baking related and all that stuff, so I think that's really cute. Of course, on the side, this is the cake mix foundation. The packaging is just like a cake mix box. So on the side, it has the ingredients of what's in the foundation. Then, of course, the front lets you know the name of the foundation. And on the side, it says our cake mix foundation is a medium to full coverage Demi Matte Foundation infused with vitamin E. Oil-free and lightweight, cake mix lets you bake your cake without eating it too. Get a smudge-free baked beat with cake face concealer, cake mix foundation, and a dash of flour. And then it has their website as well as their Twitter, I think, and Instagram, and their hashtag. So on the back, it pretty much tells you what you need to complete your face. So I'm not going to read all of this. It just says 1 prep, 2 mix, 3 bake. But it says you will need the baking oil, cake face concealer, flour setting powder, a blending egg, and bakeware. Now, the only products that I got was the foundation, the baking oil, and the flour powder. I wanted to get one of their concealers, but at the time when I ordered, they did not have the concealer shade that I wanted. So I just decided to get the foundation, the flour powder, and the baking oil. So, of course, you open it like this. And like I said, I've been using this like crazy. So this is how the foundation looks in the bottle. Now, as you guys can see, this is dark, and you guys can tell by the little demo that I did when I applied this foundation that it's dark, as well as you can see it now that it's dark. Now, the reason why it's dark is that Beauty Bakerie has a foundation shade finder on their website. And this is number 21. And this actually matched with the MAC NC45. Now, if you're familiar with MAC NC45, it's real. That seems to be the main shade that most women of color are around my skin complexion. So this matched the NC45, and it is dark. This will more than likely be my summer shade, but I've been able to work with it. So it doesn't look too bad, especially when my neck and chest is covered. It doesn't look too bad, but it is winter time. It's okay to look a little darker, but not too dark. So the other shade that I want to try is number 27, and it's much lighter, and that actually matches with a NARS foundation that I got matched in at Sephora. So I will get that foundation, and I will do a review on that foundation as well. So this won't be the only video that you guys see. I am going to get that other shade to see how it works and if it is my right shade. All right, so the next product that I want to talk about is their baking oil for the face. So this is how the packaging looks. It has a little opening right here so you can see the front of the bottle, which says Wake and Bakes. So this is also really cute. So on the side, of course, it has Beauty Bakerie. On this side, it says Instant Radiance, perfect for all skin types. Our vegan baking oil will leave your complexion hydrated and glowing. So baking tips: gently massage 2 to 3 drops onto clean skin. Allow the baking oil to absorb into skin before applying makeup. So I really do like this because my skin is normal to dry. So I still use primer. When I first tried the foundation, I think I kind of moisturized my face, and I just used this, and I loved it still. But like I said, I do have normal to dry skin, and I really do love this. It really works well for my skin, and it really works well with the powder and the foundation. Once again, the bottle looks like this, and it says Wake and Bake baking oil for the face. And all you do is, it just has a drop, so you just press the button at the top and it drops. And last but not least, here is the Beauty Bakerie flour setting powder. So I also really love this packaging. You guys, I'm telling you, their packaging is really cute. That's really one reason why I really wanted their stuff. But it comes in this little bag, just like real flour that you're getting ready to use when you cook. And I think it's really cute. So they have the baking tips on the back, the ingredients on the side, and social media and stuff on this side. So the flour powder that I got is in the shade yellow. So this is how it looks. And this is, like I said, it's in the shade yellow, but it's not like really, really yellow. So that's what I really like about it. It's yellow. It suits me because I do have a yellow undertone, and I do like a yellow powder, but it's a very nice yellow. It's not too bright or anything, but I really do love this powder as well. Like I said, it really goes well with my skin complexion. All three of these products work very, very well with each other. Absolutely love it. Not to mention, they all smell fantastic. I just love the way the foundation smells. I can still smell it on my face. Like, it just has this nice smell, and it really, like, everything just makes you want to bake a cake, like, literally. So I absolutely love this smell. You guys know, when it comes to makeup and stuff I put on my face, I'm okay with a certain smell. Like, this doesn't have an overpowering, bad, strong smell. This has a very sweet smell that pretty much goes with the brand name and the packaging. So I really do like it. So Beauty Bakerie for me is 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10. I absolutely love this stuff. So like I said, I will be trying a lighter shade, so I will do a review and demo on that as soon as I get the other shade, but it's been working for me so far. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick review, let you guys know what I think about the products, how I feel about them, and also did a demonstration. So I'm going to enter that in the video now, later. I decided to add that in later. So you guys will have the review and the demonstration. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I will see you guys in my next video.
Ay, yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. You was my little lady, drive me crazy, I was fine with that, damn. How you just gon' play me? I ain't fine with that. Thinking about you daily, smoking crazy while I'm off the tech, down. Flexing, oh, we was flexing. Always I told you that you be a star. Goes in our checklist down. Question, or check your message. You did not come for the bitch from the start. Or she was texting down. Demon, she called, yeah. Leaving them gone, yeah. Fiending, she on, yeah. Dreaming, we all, yeah. Ay, drop is a cool, dropping the top of my car, ayy. I cannot love her, no bitch, and she fucking the cook, man, she playing her part, yeah, down, ayy. Life is a bitch, knew all that shit from the start, ayy. Asking myself how I come from that bitch, and she leave all that shit in the dark, like, damn. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you done it what? Yeah, leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy. Leave me alone, yeah. You can't play me, I'm just wavy, sipping purple till I'm lazy like a throwback. I ain't seen how you ain't know that. Hit my bop like I'm Lil Kodak on the block where it ain't good at. I can't sweat you, I'm like who that? I can't sweat you, I don't do that. Nah, ayy, tell you the truth, I ain't want you to depart, ayy. I wanted you, but I can't fuck with you, cause you different, you can't play your part. No, down, ayy, tell you the truth, I wanted you from the start, ayy. I cannot fuck on no bitch, I can't love on no bitch that's not playing her part, like, damn. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you done it what? Yeah, leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy. Leave me alone, yeah. Ay, yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. You was my little lady, drive me crazy, I was fine with that, damn. How you just gon' play me? I ain't fine with that. Thinking about you daily, smoking crazy while I'm off the tech, down. Flexing, oh, we was flexing. Always I told you that you be a star. Goes in our checklist down. Question, or check your message. You did not come for the bitch from the start. Or she was texting down. Demon, she called, yeah. Leaving them gone, yeah. Fiending, she on, yeah. Dreaming, we all, yeah. Ay, drop is a cool, dropping the top of my car, ayy. I cannot love her, no bitch, and she fucking the cook, man, she playing her part, yeah, down, ayy. Life is a bitch, knew all that shit from the start, ayy. Asking myself how I come from that bitch, and she leave all that shit in the dark, like, damn. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy. Leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you done it what? Yeah, leave me alone, drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, ayy.